Okay, day 8 and 9 of the turnaround are finished. Yesterday and today we welded a whole bunch in the heater. So the tubes on the wall, we finished welding all of those, and the roof tubes. So it was me and my welding partner, and he would weld some tubes, I would weld some tubes. We had to mirror weld these tubes, so it was some fun welds, a little bit tricky but enjoyable, fun. Chrome, it was very hot, and inside the heater there were guys doing insulation, so we had to put on some masks to weld so we didn't get, inhalation. I got moved over to a pipe crew, so now we're welding pipe on top of towers and in jack stands on the ground. It's a little bit different because there's nothing in the way. Like up in the heater there's tubes in the way, there's cords from chrome, so it's a little bit of a hassle to weld sometimes in a heater. But on the ground there's nothing, it's wide open, it's pipe, it's pretty easy, and it's a little bit more slower paced than welding in a heater, because in a heater you're trying to get it done as quick as you can usually, and you're with faster welders. But on the pipe crew it's a little bit more lax, kind of do good production welds, but don't go too fast to where you mess up the timing of different things. So it's been a good last couple of days. I think I'll be moved back on the heater crew. I'm not for sure yet, but one of the big things that might be hard for some people is getting used to working with different people on the same job. So you may get jumped around to different crews on the same job, and not everybody on the different crew that you go to is gonna be as enjoyable as your last guy. So you're just gonna have to suck it up, because sometimes you may not always be with the same foreman or same fitter. So just got to be able to be versatile, and just don't complain, don't cause any issues, because that's just one of the things that I've done that really has helped me out, is I don't complain. If they want me to weld structure, I do it. If they want me to weld pipe, I do it. And whenever you do a job, make sure you weld it, clean it very well, and treat it just like you would a weld test. Make sure everything is pinpoint perfect. That way the QCs don't have to worry about you that much. So if you can do welds in a quick, timely manner, make them good quality, everybody's gonna love you, and you're gonna be the favorite welder on the job. And that's the best thing to be, because you can do whatever you want. You can make welds, you can go take a break, and no one says nothing, because they know you're gonna be working and doing good work. So that's my advice. Just don't complain, get used to working with different crews, and make sure every weld that you do is the best that you can do it. And then just help people out. Help other people out with welds, help other people on the job get what they need, move pipe, help your fitter. Just be helpful and mindful of other people, and they got their own problems and situations going on outside of work. But when you're inside of work, just work as a team, because not everybody has had a good day or a good night's sleep. So just be a friend and help out people.